This video will show you how to properly install the TRICO rear wiper blade onto a pinch tab arm. If there is a lever on top of the adapter in the center of the blade, lift the wiper arm up as far as it will go and push the lever in the opposite direction of the wiper arm. Rotate the top end of the blade downward until it disengages from the arm. If there is no lever on top of the adapter in the center of the blade, lift the wiper arm up as far as it will go and pinch both tabs at the back end of the adapter. Rotate the lower end of the blade outward away from the arm. Before installation, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. Locate adapter H. Match the arrow on the adapter with the arrow on the blade and lower the adapter into the cavity in the top of the blade. Push the adapter forward until it locks in place. Hold your thumb on the front of the blade adapter. Align the wiper arm tabs with the tabs on the back end of the adapter and raise the blade into the underside of the arm. Rotate the blade up until the tip of the arm locks into the front of the adapter. The adapter must lock onto the wiper arm as shown. Before use, be sure the wiper blade is locked onto the wiper arm.